Hi, I'm Jess, and today I'm going to talk about the Amazon Fire Kids Edition tablets, which are available in a 7-inch, 8-inch, but I want to chat about the 10-inch. Let's take a look. I like that the 10 comes with a stand. It's a really good size for watching films, doing activities. So we've got the headphone jack, which is great for plugging the kids in, so you don't have to listen to everything they're listening to, and a USB-C charger, which means it doesn't matter which way round you plug it in. So it's great for the kids charging it themselves. Very smart indeed. Then let's have a look inside and see what else we've got. Really clear visual instructions, so even I can't go wrong. And in here we've got charging plug and the cable. Right, let's get rid of some of this stuff and get stuck into having a look at it. Let's take a look at this stand, which is also great for when you're in the car, putting between the headrest and the seat so the kids can watch stuff when you're on the go. Let's fire this up. Obviously, the kids love all of the films, TV shows, apps and books that they can access thanks to the 1-year Fire for Kids Unlimited. But what really sets it apart for me as a parent are the parental controls. The Learn First feature is amazing. For example, the kids can't watch their favourite TV show or movies until they've done whatever goals you want to set as a parent. And at the end of the day, there's the bedtime feature, so the tablet just turns off and it doesn't come back on again until the time I've set the next day. So our tablet turns off at 7 in the evening in time for bedtime, and then the kids can't access it again until after school the next day, but you can set it for whatever works best for you and your family. The coolest thing is that I can control the tablet using my phone with the remote pause feature. So for all those times when I've been calling the kids down for dinner and it just feels like I'm shouting into a black hole, I can now hit the pause button and they come running. With every Amazon Fire Kids Edition tablet, there's a 2-year worry-free guarantee. And to show you just how worry-free, let's go to the drop test. Every Amazon Fire Kids Edition tablet comes with a kid-proof bumper, which is just as well. Should we put these to the test?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Is it broken?
No.